Hello, fellow entrepreneurs. This is Augustine from BusinessRocket, and today we're going to walk through how to start an LLC in New York step by step. We'll break everything down into 7 simple steps in plain English so anyone can follow along. And if you still have any questions at the end, go ahead and drop them in the comments and we'll make sure to get you answers. Let's go ahead and jump in. Step 6, get an EIN from the IRS. Next, apply for an EIN with the Internal Revenue Service. Your EIN acts like a social security number for your business, and you'll need it to open a business bank account, hire employees, file federal taxes, and apply for credit or financing. Most businesses can get this online in just a few minutes via the IRS portal, but if you don't have a U.S. social security number or ITIN, you will need to file Form SS4 and fax it to the IRS. And that's it, the 7 steps to starting an LLC in New York. New York does have a few extra rules compared to most states, especially the publication requirement. But once you know the process, it's easily manageable. If you want to do it yourself, now you have the roadmap. But if you require help, BusinessRocket has helped thousands of entrepreneurs start and maintain their companies in multiple states. If you found this video to be helpful at all, please like and share, comment your questions below, and subscribe for more business guides in the future. We'll see you next time.